It's hike day. I'm so excited. So today my friend and I are checking out Palouse Falls, which is a bit of a drive for us. It's about an hour and a half away, but so worth it. The pictures look amazing. I am taking my Canon and my SX70. So the Canon AE1, I should say. So no, it's all film. It's all film today. And yeah, the SX70, I brought 2 packs of SX70 film just in case, because I would rather have too much than not enough. Normally I don't go through more than a pack on any given trip, but you know, like I said, I would rather be prepared. So my friend's going with me. I am so stoked because I never have a hiking buddy. We were gonna check out Elk Creek Falls in Idaho, but the custodian in my building actually just informed me yesterday that they are under 4 feet of snow out there, so you can't actually access the trail, which is kind of hilarious because here in Pullman we have beautiful sunshine. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. It's supposed to get up to the 50s today. I'm so stoked on the weather. I'm so stoked for it to be warm. I don't typically drive farther for a hike if the hike is less than 3 miles long. So this hike is 1.2 miles, supposedly, according to the All Trails app. I hope we can find something out there that might make it a little longer, make the exploring a bit more... might make the exploring a little longer or more worth it. But then again, seeing the waterfall, just that natural beauty, will probably make the whole thing worth it on its own. To the Palouse Falls area to Washtukna. I am pronouncing it wrong. I'm from Washington and I can't pronounce these names right. Oh my gosh. I could say Puyallup. I could say that correctly. I could say Skagit County correctly. Snoqualmie. We have a lot of names like that out here, and if you're not native here, it can be very difficult to pronounce them. But even as a native, I have such a hard time pronouncing a lot of those names. That was a huge tangent. I'm about to pick up my friend. I'm not really going to be recording the two of us talking or anything like in the running vlogs that we're doing. This is just more about seeing the hike, maybe seeing how I'm using my cameras and what kind of equipment I take on hikes like this. I'm actually taking a smaller, more compact version of what I would normally take on a hike. Normally I take my larger backpack, but I'm really not feeling carrying my backpack today. So I just brought a regular like crossover camera bag, and I strategically stuffed what I needed into it. I'm about to pick up my friend. I don't want to freak her out with a camera, so I'm gonna stop recording right about now. So I hope you enjoy this. It should be a ton of fun. trail. Jordan, what did you think?
I thought it was really fun. It was definitely different than what we've been doing at the gym. We actually got to like go outside.
Yeah, what about you?
I love this stuff. I think we did more picture taking and recording than actual hiking, but I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Because this trail, I think, was less about hiking and more about seeing something beautiful. Whereas what we were originally gonna do was definitely more about the getting outside and hiking. But
It started to rain a little bit, but it stopped.
I was gonna say that's not rain.
Yeah, it's not raining.
It's a little drizzle. We're from the west side of Washington, so we're picky and particular about our rain.
I wouldn't even call it sprinkling.
Yeah, it was like the sky cried a little bit, like a celebrity single tear.
The drama.
Oh, the drama. Yeah, we went off the path a little bit, but like on some unmarked trails here, but they didn't feel unsafe. There were definitely some that looked unsafe and we stayed away from those. But
We tried to stay more on like the hard like dirt clay stuff that wasn't as like we weren't on gravel.
yeah, there is a gravel trail, which is the main trail, and the stuff that we did do was off the main trail, but off the beaten path. But yeah, so we're gonna go home. We have a long drive.
Have Buffalo Wild Wings.
Have Buffalo Wild Wings.
No one
I'm
will be
so
with us though.
yeah, he's so stoked on Buffalo Wild Wings. He's so ready. All right. Well, I'm sure that wind sucks.
I know. I'm
So-
like,
So bye.